Hey, how's it going, folks? E.T. here with another tutorial. Today we are doing a DaVinci Resolve tutorial, and this video is to show you how to make a compound clip. And what is a compound clip? A compound clip is when you take a whole bunch of clips that you have in your timeline and you turn it into one so it's easier to manipulate, move around, and do what you want to do with it. It's very simple to do. First thing you're going to do is use your mouse or trackpad, or I'll show you a keyboard shortcut later, and just lasso everything here. Then you're going to right click or command click, go to new compound clip, and we're going to call this compound clip 2. Going to create that, and if you look over here in your media pool, you'll see a new clip appear over there called the compound clip 2. Okay, so now we have one clip that used to be a whole bunch. And also you'll notice it's over here. And I also created another one before I called new clip 1. But so you've actually combined it. So what if you want to uncombine them? Well, there's also an easy way to do that. And the first thing you're going to do is right click on that clip, that compound clip. You could actually drag another one in here as well. So I'll show you two. And then just right click and scroll up, and you'll see it says decompose in place. Using clips only, just go ahead and do that. You'll notice it comes back. So let me go ahead and decompose my other one here. I'm going to scroll up to the top. Okay, so now the compound clip that used to be a whole bunch of little clips is back to the way it was. And then you can go back and do your fine touches on your edits in here if you'd like to. And then in the end, if you want to recompound them, you could actually do that by highlighting and right click and new compound clip. You can create as many as you want to fill up your wonderful media pool over here. And I think that's it for today's video. And as usual, peace and aloha. See you next time.